Welcome back to CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple exercise on SolidWorks, and here we learn some basic command. Today draw this type of easy drawing and exercise on SolidWorks. Now first of all see the dimension of object. Dimension look like 90 mm by 90 mm width and height. Length will be 120 mm. Cylinder diameter 50, 35 and 20. Now first of all select new part. OK. Now first of all change centimeter to millimeter mmgs, and now choose top plane and sketch normal. Draw center line to now draw circle. Diameter will be 50 mm. Now simply exit sketch and go to feature, extrude, boss base. Now length will be 90 mm. Now simply click OK. Now select this face and sketch. Now this sketch will be normal. And draw one more circle. Diameter will be 35 mm, means 35 mm. Diameter will be 35. Simply click OK. Now simply exit sketch and extrude boss base. Now 15 mm. OK. Select this face, sketch and normal this sketch and face. Now draw one more circle. Diameter will be 20 mm. Now feature, extrude, cut. Now go to through all, see preview. Now simply click OK and see result. Now select this face, go to reference and geometry, click plane. Now flip side and dimension is in the 45 mm. Simply click OK. Now select this plane and sketch, and this sketch will be normal. Now draw center point arc. Now select. Now click the center, one end to another end. Now draw, click line, click a center line and draw one center line. Now draw one line, click this point and draw line and draw this type of section. Now this will be complete, and simply give a dimension. This line to this center line distance will be 25. OK. Dimension So 55 mm. Okay, now this point to this point, the dimension 20 mm. Now this line to this center line, distance 45. This line to this line dimension will be 10 mm, and this line to this line is also 10 mm, and same as the 10 mm dimension these lines. Now simply change this dimension 35 mm. Change this dimension 40 mm. Now complete. Now simply adjust dimension. This will be 35. Now simply click mirror entity. Now select all lines. Draw in sketch. Select all lines. Now simply mirror about, then click a center line. Your center line. Now see preview. Now select OK. See, the sketch will be done. Now exit sketch. Extrude this sketch. Extrude both sides, then select any edge or side. Now see. Now this dimension will be 20 mm and direction 2. Twenty-five mm. Now simply change 35 mm. Now this will be 30 mm. Now simply click OK. See preview. Now select this face, and this sketch will be normal, and draw center line. Draw a circle. Now dimension will be 10 mm. Change 15 mm. Now simply exit sketch, extrude cut. Then 0. OK. Simply click OK. Now radius, give a radius, then select this edge and select this edge. Now this will be complete. Now select. Delete this edge. Now simply click OK. See, the radius will be complete. Now second one fillet. Dimension will be both side 20 mm and 45-degree chamfer. Now select one more edge. Now simply click OK. Now see preview. Now give more radius on fillet. Now select this edge. Now see, and this dimension will be 9 mm, and select bottom side edge. Now see. Now simply click OK. Our object will be done. See the preview.